Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing fine. This is Dr. Aisha Iqbal and today we are going to do one of your practicals, which is oral rehydrate salt. We are going to make oral rehydrate salt and we are going to prepare a solution of oral rehydrate salt. So let's get started. The contents of this practical includes apparatus, ingredients, calculations, procedure, directions for use, uses of ORS solution, contraindications, and in the end you will get an assignment which you have to submit in the group. So the practical is prepare and dispense 4 powders of ORS, oral rehydrate salt. For that you need apparatus which are measuring jar, balance, paper fold, spatula, scissor, pestle and mortar, and ingredients you need glucose, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. You also get to prepare the ORS to be dissolved in 1 liter of water, which is ORS solution. So mostly you get the practical to prepare and dispense ORS solution, and in that case you will add distilled water in your ingredients. We are going to discuss in next slides how you can prepare the salt and as well as ORS solution. So for 1 liter of ORS preparation, the British Pharmacopoeia formula is you're going to require glucose 20 grams, sodium chloride 3.5 grams, sodium bicarbonate 2.5 grams, and potassium chloride 1 gram. This is a standard calculation that you are going to need for 1 liter of ORS. It will change if you are given 500 milliliter of ORS preparation in your question or practical. And we are going to discuss how you can calculate all these ingredients for 500 ml of ORS solution. For the procedure, you are going to weigh all the ingredients and put these ingredients one by one in mortar and make a fine powder by grinding with pestle. Students, you need to remember that these are the calculations for 1 liter of ORS solution, and if you will be given to prepare 250 ml or 500 ml of ORS solution, then the values or the calculations will be different, which we will discuss in your next slide. And if you are going to if your statement in the practical is to prepare and dispense 4 powders of ORS, then you are just going to make these powders and grind them and then mix them thoroughly and make 4 portions that will be equal portions, and then place each portion separate white paper and fold it and secure it, and then place the label onto the folded paper. And for the solution you will place the label on the bottle. The directions for use are very important, and in this case you have to mix 1 powder in a glass of water, which will be 250 ml, and take it after every stool. So students, for the ORS practical apparatus and ingredients as mentioned before are electric balance, paper folder and spatula, pestle and mortar, and the ingredients include glucose, sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, potassium chloride and distilled water. Before using the electric balance, make sure there is no air. For that you need to place a paper on the balance and set the apparatus on 0. Then note down the weight. Now to prepare 1 liter of ORS, you need to weigh 20 grams of glucose, 3.5 grams of sodium chloride, 2.5 grams of sodium bicarbonate and 1 grams of potassium chloride. Now put these ingredients one by one in the mortar and make a fine powder by grinding with pestle. Place all the powders on a tire and mix them thoroughly with help of spatula, and then you can use this ORS powder in 1 liter of water, and this is your preparation for 1 liter of ORS solution. But for the later on, what you can do is you can place each portion on a separate white paper and fold them with the help of a paper folder and make 4 equal portions of this ORS powder. This is done when you are only asked to prepare and dispense 4 powders of ORS, or If you are asked to prepare 250 ml of ORS, then you are going to use one of these powder in 250 ml. And if you get to prepare 250 ml of ORS solution, then you need to mix one powder in 250 ml of water, and in that way you are going to get your ORS solution that is to be taken after every stool. So student, this was the preparation for 1000 ml or 250 ml of ORS solution. We will going to do calculations for the preparation of 500 ml of ORS solution in the next slide. So to prepare and dispense ORS in 1 liter of water, we have already discussed that the calculations will be the following. But if you are given to prepare and dispense ORS in 500 half liter of water, then the calculations will be following, which is that uh, for 500 ml of solution will contain glucose is equal to 20 divided by 1000 into 500, because for 1000 ml you were having a standard value of 20 grams of glucose, but for 500 ml that 20 will be divided by 1000 and then multiplied by 500, which is the required amount, and then you will calculate the answer. Similarly, you will do for the other ingredients and you will get your answer for 500 ml half liter of ORS solution. And then you are going to make all these powders, and the procedure will be same as we have done before for 1000 ml, but these are the calculations for 500 ml. Similarly, to prepare and dispense ORS in 250 ml of water, the calculations will be exactly in the same way, only you are going to change the value. Instead of 500 you will write 250 and you will get your answers. I hope this has cleared the confusion. So there should be no confusion if you will be given in the practical statement to prepare and dispense ORS in 500 ml, 1000 ml or 250 ml of water. Uses of ORS includes diarrhea, vomiting, any other condition leading to dehydration, excessive sweating, and burns. Contraindications include fluid overload in lungs, ascites, generalized edema, and swelling in patients. What are ascites? It is the abnormal buildup of fluid in the cavity. So the symptoms may include abdominal discomfort, shortness of breath. So you need to remember the uses and contraindications, which are very important. So you can be asked. In the end, your assignment is to write down the following details in your practical notebook. The attendance will be marked on the basis of your assignment submission. So make sure you write the practical title, apparatus, ingredients and procedure, directions for use, contraindications, and the uses of ORS on your lined page of the practical notebook. And then you have to write the calculations and label on the blank page of your practical notebook. If you have any question, you can freely ask in the WhatsApp group. And thank you so much for listening. Please submit your assignments on time. Allah Hafiz.